Ready to go again? Huh? Ready to go again? Are you hot? Are you ready? Are you ready for Papa? Huh? Papa wanna go for a bike ride. Papa wanna go for a bike ride. Let's go for a bike ride. Woo! Let's go for a bike ride, Papa. Papa! Papa! Where'd Nana go? Your face is red, Gomer. Goober. Woo, look at that face. Hurry. Get you something to drink. Here, get in here and get you something to drink. Get one of those Gatorades back there, the red one back there. No, don't do that. You get the freezer dirty. Red Gatorade back there. Get your red Gatorade. Woo. Yeah, hold it up next to your face. Let's see which one's redder. You or the Gatorade? Ah, I think you got it beat. Yeah. Come on, let's get a wet cloth. Cooling off? Are you cooling off some? I think you are. How many miles we got? You know how many miles we went? How many?
4.
That's all, 4 miles.
4.5.
We're supposed to go 10 miles.
Uh-uh.
Mm-hmm. Well,